What's up, guys? Just pulled up on today's job, doing a house wash, driveway cleaning. Got Angelo pre-soaking the house. We're gonna come back around and downstream it here in a minute, and we're gonna do the walkway and the driveway. So just gonna end wetting everything down. They don't have a whole lot of bushes to worry about. They're just doing a quick rinse. All right, got the downstream injector on. Just going around and applying the chemical now. Coating it pretty heavy because that chemical has been sitting in that trailer, and it loses its strength after a little while. So I topped it off with an old 5-gallon jug of SH I had. So hopefully it's gonna eat all this green right off. They're selling this house, so we're getting it prepped, looking good. Gotta do the house and driveway. Ah, dang it. Hose busted. Alright, so we got the soap turned off. Now we're just going around rinsing. As y'all can see, we had a hose bust there. That's never fun. It took a minute to get that popped back on and fixed. So, doing a nice rinse. After this is all rinsed, gonna go ahead and knock this driveway out. Done. He's just hitting the corners now. All the spots the surface cleaner couldn't get. Went ahead and did the porch. Everything's looking good. They're selling this house, so they're having pictures at 2 o'clock, and it's 1 o'clock now. Looks like we're gonna get done just in time. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Y'all are looking to start a pressure wash business this year. Shoot me a text, 252-473-8600. All right, talk to you soon.